Hey, what's up guys? This is Valentin with Shift Culture. Today we're going to build a rig for our drift simulator. It will be a lot of fun, but check out all these goodies that we got here on the table. Sounds like a good time, but I really don't want to build this stuff. I mean, seems like a lot of work. I have an idea. Let's try something different. Oh man, why is this not working? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Getting rusty. 1, 2, 3. That was that easy? Man, I can do this every day.
They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come.
GBA on the track.
They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come close to. They come around, but they never come, never come.
Alright guys, there you have it. 45 minutes later, a bunch of boxes, one case, no more boxes, one rig. Stay tuned for build of our actual simulator and installation of windows and some fun games ahead. Hopefully you'll see us drifting down the real track after we get professional at what we do. Peace.